it's Gail with Life Begins After 50, and did you know what this month is? It's National Picnic Month, and it's August, and it's hot here in Arizona. And I just came back from a walk with some of my girlfriends, and whoo, I need some healthy, delicious snacks to perk me up. And where do I go? The Silver and Fit blog. I showed you an awesome salad recipe a few weeks ago. This one talks about 5 tips to help you break free from a sugar habit. And although I didn't really have a habit, I probably ate too much sugar. So now I go to healthy sliced fruits, as well as sunflower seeds and raisins and nuts. Really yummy, light and refreshing, and that's what Silver and Fit is all about, helping ageless folks like you and me stay healthy and vibrant. So check out everything they have to offer. I've been taking their free online exercise classes for a couple of years. They have beginner and advanced levels. The teachers are amazing. I highly, highly recommend it, and have a happy August.